This demo will introduce the concept of idea summaries.
Every day, each of us consume lots of information. Sometimes we even take notes on it. Unfortunately, this information gathering is highly inefficient because many of us are doing the same work, on the same materials, at the same time, all in our own little silos.
It's 2017. We can't waste our time combing through paragraph after paragraph when someone else has already done the same work. What if we could crowdsource our notes so that if someone else has already done the work, we can quickly get the most actionable bits from any source of information without even needing to read it? The market of ideas makes this possible with the concept of an idea summary. An idea in an idea summary is made up of three logical pieces: a question, some arguments for that question, and some evidence for those arguments. For example, say I'm reading this article about buying smartphones. Let's go to the market of ideas to see if someone has already created an idea summary for this article. All you have to do is search the title, and it looks like someone has, so just click it, and you can start adding your own ideas to the idea summary. Before you begin adding your own ideas, you can see all the ideas that other users have added to this idea summary right at the bottom of the page. Katie Strickland seems to have added an idea from this article about which smartphones have the best processing speed. You can see the argument that she says the author made, as well as the evidence she says the author put forward to support that argument. I really care about my prospective phone's battery life, so I want to pull that relevant idea out of the article. Here's how. First, I find the passage in the article that's relevant to this idea. Then I copy and paste it. Next, I type a question that the author addresses with this quote. For example, which smartphone has the best battery life? Just click Add, and you've already created the first part of your idea. Then, I paraphrase the argument he makes in the quote. The Google Nexus has the best battery life of any phone, but the Galaxy S7 comes in a close second. Then, you can attach the quote as an example of the author actually making the argument that you inputted. And if there's any evidence that the author puts forward to back up this particular argument, you can add that as well. In this case, there's a handy chart that he cites, so I'll add that. Just take a screenshot of it, paraphrase the evidence he cites. In this case, something like, the Google Nexus lasted longest in continuous web serving battery tests. Attach the chart that you took a picture of, and you're all done. Pulling out ideas from any piece of information is as easy as that. Hit close, and you can see all the ideas that you personally have added to this idea summary. And if you want to see every idea that many users have added to this idea summary, you can do that too. By pulling out just one idea at a time, the market of ideas can turn the world's information into these highly useful idea summaries. Thanks for watching.